Today, I'm teaching you guys how to start futures trading on Robinhood Legends. This isn't me showing you how to actually futures trade itself, but if you want some recommendations, I recommend looking maybe at ICT or TJR or maybe even Iman. It really just depends on who you want to follow. They're all decent, they all teach you the fundamentals and basics. But moving forward from that, this is the new Robinhood Legends app. And so what I'm teaching you is how to start futures trading. What you're going to want to do is head over to your email if you don't already have access to this. And so the reason I say this is because that's how I found out about it. They sent me an email talking about this new trading platform that Robinhood is using. But keep in mind, your old Robinhood account is the same thing as this. Okay, it's both connected. So the moment I got access to Robinhood Legend, my personal individual Robinhood account was already attached to it. So keep that in mind. So the email that you use to sign up to your Robinhood account, go ahead and go onto that email and you'll see this. Then what you're going to want to do is go over to Explore Legend and click that. That's going to lead you onto this place where it's like a bunch of terms and conditions and disclosures, and you're basically just prompted to read this, review it, and press accept. After you press accept, you'll then get access to here. Now this is where it gets kind of interesting. What you're going to want to do is get out of the main page, because this main page is for people that only trade stocks. You're going to want to go up to the options trading category. So here's where things get kind of interesting. So the main stuff here is a bunch of information on a bunch of the things that you can do, but you'll see over here there's this overview section, and in this overview section there's actually a couple options here. So on this account currently, I have access to normal stocks and options. I don't have access to futures in specific. So if you do want options, like to activate futures, you're going to have to press this button. And as you can see right here, it says right there, enable futures trading. That's what you're going to need to click, and you do need to apply into it. And just to double check, as you can see here, it's actually a little different. So as you can see, for options, we use levels, but for a futures account, it's actually a separate account, which is done through Robinhood derivatives. So that's what you're going to need to activate. But I just went ahead and checked by clicking the actual link, and it basically just runs you through the similar questions that were asked when I applied for options. So that's how you apply into it. Then you can start trading futures at your own regard, and then you'll basically just have access to the futures section, which I think we already do. We just can't trade them unless you have that enabled. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like.